What's up, y'all? Jay with Trench Collectibles back again, doing another eBay comic haul unboxing and shipping review. Today we got another Batman lot. Let's take a look right quick. This one's should be 35 Batman and Detective Comics books. New 52, new Batman. So we're gonna crack her open, take a look. Okay, looks like they shipped medium mail on this one. If you watch my other videos, I kind of complain about this all the time. Don't ship comics medium mail. It's illegal. Your package can get lost. Your package can get damaged. It takes longer for the package to get there, and the postal authorities have the authority to tear your package up and make sure you're not breaking the law. And I've seen all that stuff happen, so don't sit here and tell me it doesn't happen. I know for a fact it happens. But that being said, it won't stop me from buying a lot if the seller has a good review and it seems like a good deal to me. I'll still buy it, and I suggest you do the same. If you agree to the deal, you agree to the deal. But as one seller to another seller, I don't suggest using medium mail. I understand it may save me, it may make some of these cheaper lots possible because they're saving on their shipping costs, but at the same time, I've bought lots that weigh just the same as this box here or more, and it was shipped priority 2 day. You know what I'm saying? So there's no excuse for this medium mail crap. But I agreed to it, so they're not going to knock the buyer for that on the review. But just another piece of advice. Go ahead and crack this open. The tape job here is kind of crappy. Let's aim that camera down so you can see what's going on. What the hell? Looks like he did add enough tape to keep it from coming all the way open. But be leery of stuff like that. I shouldn't be able just to do this kind of stuff with the package. You know what I'm saying? Shouldn't be able to do all that with the package just received in the mail. See what I'm saying? You're not supposed to be able to do all that. Let's go ahead and crack her open. Should be 35 Batman comics. Looks like it'll be mostly New 52 and some newer stuff that I don't have. The tip one, cutting up in boxes of comics or anything like, because you don't know how close to the top of the box of comics are packed. Cut the sides here first. You know what I mean? And then after that, pull up the middle like this. And then cut the tape like that. That way you won't accidentally puncture through and gouge out a comic. Looks like this one's got some protection on top, but that doesn't always happen. Sometimes the comics are stacked to the top of the box and you don't know that, and you'll gouge right into a comic. Let's see what they got going here. The box got crushed up a little bit, but it did have some protection. I'm going to show you how they have this package. One problem I do see with comics is a lot of people packing comics. They'll have the comics in there, and they'll have them pushed all the way to one corner like this, and then they'll just have paper on like two sides. I don't suggest doing that. I suggest laying the comics right in the middle and packaging around all sides, because if a corner here gets bashed in, all these comics that are pushed to that corner get bashed in too. So do not package your comics that way. So it's not a great packaging job, but if these comics come out undamaged, I'm not going to knock the seller for it. I'm not an asshole when giving eBay feedback, but for these videos, educational purpose for these videos, I'll point out all the negatives. So not a great packaging job by any means. Could have done better. I've seen worse, but could have done better. Alrighty. Looks like he's got many stuffed in multiple bags. Yeah, so they're not individually bagged and boarded, but you know, crammed into a bag. That's okay though. We'll take them out here. We'll go through them one at a time. Just y'all see what I'm adding to the collection. This will be mostly new stuff for me, so looking okay so far. Seeing spine stress, but other than that, it's not looking bad. Comics seem to be pretty fresh. So condition wise, I'm not seeing any negatives yet. I'm quickly running out of room to keep comics, even though I just ordered a 10 stack of the comic houses, the short comic houses. That's alright though. What's going to happen is if I do run out of space, I'm going to try to fill it mostly with Batman. If I do start running out of space, I'll just start selling some Batman. I'll probably keep buying some Batman and then I'll sell the ones I don't want to keep. That's probably what will end up happening. Yeah, it looks like pretty much all these are Detective Comics. Look at it. Yeah, they seem to be pretty fresh though. So that's definitely a plus. Alright, so let's go through these one at a time, see what we got. Let's see, Batman Detective Comics, that's 48. Here's Batman Detective Comics, 49. Here's 51. 52. Horrors from the Crypt. Kind of making it look like Tales from the Crypt type font there. 40. 41. 42. 43. 45. 46. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 26. 28. 29. 32. 33. 34. 36. Here's one called Divergence. It's a free comic day book. Looks like it's got yeah, it's definitely got Batman. Kind of looks like, yeah, Superman in there too. It's kind of looking like it's supposed to be dark side there in the cover. There's 41. Looks like he's got that same image, that same bat suit image there. 42. 48. 49. 51. 52. 'Yeah, those last several I said they weren't Detective Comics, but actual just Batman. Of course, a different series. A lot of stuff I don't recognize there. There's a Batman 31, Batman 32, there's Batman 33, Batman 34, and Batman 35. So yeah, it looks like a pretty good lot there. All the comics seem to be in pretty fresh condition. As you can see, they're doing a lot of sliding there. Very slick covers on that one. I don't see anything too crazy as far as like damage and wear or anything like that. All the comics smell very fresh. You know what I'm saying? So I say it's a pretty good lot. I didn't count them. I guess it's wise to count them. It's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. So, yeah, I must have miscounted them. Either that or I'm short some comics. I'm gonna count it one more time, and if it still comes out wrong, then I'll handle the problem outside of this video. If I count this wrong the second time, I doubt I'll get it right wrong 2 times in a row. But if I get it wrong the second time, that'll probably be a negative review on the seller. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. 30. See, it looks like 33 to me. So that means seller miscounted. Yeah, it says 35 right there. So, alright, one more count. I said 2 counts, but I'm going to do 3 because you're supposed to, if you're getting a wrong count on anything, money or anything like that, you're supposed to recount until you get the same number twice, at least. 7, 8, 9, 10. 20. 30. 34. So I got a different number there. There must be comics sticking together when I'm counting that. So I'm not gonna. I'm gonna say this is a pretty good review. There still may be a comic or two missing, and that's a pretty big thing. I hate to keep recounting them on the video, but it's just like how there's got to be comics sticking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I got 34 2 times in a row. I'm a comic short. So yeah. What I might have to do is I'm just gonna have to tell the dude only got 34 comics. See if he'll give me a partial refund back. Since I've started doing these videos, see, I don't think I've ever come up a comic short or anything like that on any of these unboxings. So that's a first. Otherwise, I'd say this is a top notch like seller for real. Comics came in really good condition. It came packaged pretty well, not the best. Could have been way worse, but I'm definitely a comic short. I counted 34 2 times in a row there, and it's supposed to be 35 in the lot. You know, so I mean, I'll check the label there, make sure I'm looking at the right lot. I'm pretty damn sure I'm looking at the right lot. Yeah, that's the right lot. So as of right now, I'm gonna say this is a. I hate to say neutral, because he might fix it for me. If he don't fix it for me, then I'm just gonna have to. I might do an update on this video to let y'all know. But yeah, that's Invasion 100 is the name of the seller. It's INVASION 100. And he didn't hold me hostage for the feedback. He left me feedback first, which is what a seller's supposed to do. He packaged it well. He gave me fresh comics. You know what I'm saying? It came pretty quick, even though it was shipped medium mail, which is illegal. So overall, I'd say that was like an A+, except the fact I'm missing one comic. So we're gonna see how he handles that. Hopefully he gives me a partial refund. And if not, I'm gonna have to take it up with eBay. I don't want to have to take it that far over a single comic, but the truth is, I pay enough money for these comics. I'm not gonna be, shorted. But yeah, appreciate y'all hanging out and watching another one of these. So yeah, I'd say check this guy's store out. I'm not gonna give you a final yes or no on my positive review, just because I don't know how he's gonna handle the missing one comic thing. So, but check him out. It might just be a simple miscount. You know what I'm saying? It happens. As a seller, I've made mistakes. So, I mean, check the guy out. It looked like he had see what his reviews is looking like. He don't have any negative reviews. I mean, all I'm seeing is 185 positives, that he's got 100% positive feedback. So it might just be a simple mistake. He might help me out and make it right. So I'm not going to give this guy a negative review. Go check him out. That's Invasion 100. Like I said, it's just like it sounds. The word invasion plus 100. Also check my stores out. I'm gonna have eBay, HipComic, eBid, Bonanza all listed below. If you order through eBay, you'll get a discount. You get a 5% discount on the item, and if you use that link, but not if you don't buy from me, you buy from somebody else, it'll still help me out because it's an affiliate link. At no cost to you, it'll help me out. But I prefer eBid. If you use eBid, it'll save me a ton on fees. So if you use eBid, and let me know you saw this video, then I'll give you 5% back on the item and the shipping. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all hanging out and watching another one of these videos. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.